What's up, internet family? My name is Aya. I'm a business coach, author, and international speaker. I talk all about growing your business and parenting. I coach parentpreneurs, and my consulting firm teaches small, medium, and large sales team on all things sales, with a special emphasis on social selling. If this is the first time that you're here with me, welcome. If you've been rocking with me, thank you. I'm happy you're here. This video is about accelerating your know, like, and trust factor. This is the first video in a series, so let's get into it. What is your know, like, and trust factor? I like to call it KLT for short. Know, like, and trust. It's what people need to experience in order to buy from you. They need to, first of all, know who you are. If I don't know who you are, if I have never heard of you, if you are invisible to me, or I don't know you exist, I cannot begin to buy from you. I then need to like you. People do business with people they like. Likability is a factor. And then finally, trust. There is always trust given and received when you're buying something, especially a product, a service. You have to trust what the person said or what they did. It's going to happen for you. Know, like, and trust. This video and this series of videos is about how to accelerate this process, how to accelerate this. You have a business, you have a brand, you are servicing clients, you have customers, and you want to go from invisible, unknowable, I don't know you, and you want to accelerate that whole process of KLT. And you absolutely can. There is a process. You can never skip it. You can never skip it. You accelerate it. My biggest tip is going to accelerate your KLT factor so much. And it is, drumroll please, video. Yes, using video in your business, using video in your marketing, using video in your sales process, using video, wherever you can have video, using video. Did I say using video? I did. According to this book and this author, it takes 7 hours for someone to really get to know you over video. Once that 7 hours has elapsed, they feel connected. It's 7 hours at 4 different junctures and 4 different points. The reason being is because they're seeing your face over and over again. They have a good feeling about you. Back in the caveman days, if we kept seeing you and we kept liking you, then that's what it is. Our brains, according to neuroscience, we can't tell the difference that it's not real. Right? You're seeing me on video, it's not real. You can't touch me. But our brains, it's still processed as if it's live. You can still garner almost the same level of connection as in real life over video. If you don't believe me, go over and check out YouTube. Go to YouTube and find yourself some influencers, find yourself someone that you respect, admire, and follow them over a period of time in video, and you will feel like you know them. You will be thinking about them. People send them presents, people write them letters, people buy from them, people are sad when bad things happen to them, people rejoice with them, people connect with them, and it's over the medium of video. Video can absolutely accelerate your KLT factor, your know, like, and trust. Because once you see me on video, first you know me. The key is being yourself. You don't want to pretend. Some people's videos are there's no personality. It's just very buttoned up. It's not so much I dislike you, but there's no personality. There's not much to like. But here is the hack. You have a video library. You have a video library of content, a video that people can watch of you, your business, talking about your business, seeing your life, however you want to do it. The strategy is yours, however you want to do it. Over time, I bump into you on these internet streets. I see a video that I like what you're talking about. I'm like, let me look at another video. Let me look at another video. Let me look at another video. And before I know it, I can binge watch all these videos about you and accelerate me knowing you, liking you, and trusting you. After 3, 4, 5 binge sessions, I started watching you regularly. Now I'm all caught up. I don't have to have watched you from day one. I can catch up watching you via video and have those same type of emotions and connections that people who have maybe watched you for 2 years have. That's the power of video. That's the power of any type of content you have over a period of time. If someone's watching your video and they're watching it multiple times, they're very interested. If you employ sales tactics into your videos, if you make it clear that you're a business, that you're selling something, and this is how you can get in touch with me if you like me, trust me, and want to work with me, that is such a powerful tool. I want you to start using video. Again, my name is Aya. I'm a business coach, author, international speaker. My consulting firms help small, medium, and large sales teams with all things sales, with a special emphasis on social selling. If you need me to help you with your video strategy, your business strategy, juggling, business building, and parenting, definitely reach out to me. You can email me at aya@ayaigbuho.com. You can visit my website at www.ayaigbuho.com. And you can always DM me wherever you see this video. Make sure you show up tomorrow to see the next video in the series. I hope you're doing great. Talk to you soon. Bye.